So you might ask yourself what the difference is of getting a PDI done through us or getting the bike delivered to you and you putting it together. So I'm just going to run through today as to just a couple of things as to what we do. So these are just a couple of things. Perfect. And the breaker on this one's right at the front, so it's easy to get to. And there you go. And that's how you get your seat off. Anyone for a shower cap? I'm gonna grab my voltmeter. I'm just gonna double check that both batteries are at the proper voltage. And so I'm just gonna unplug, 75 volts. Perfect. So I'm just gonna check this battery. Perfect, so those batteries are good. And we will do also a full charge on these batteries before the customer gets it, just to make sure that they charge properly. Breaker's on, you can hear the beep beep, that means that's active. Let it load up and do its thing. Now that's at zeros, I can kind of just go ahead and I can test. And then I check headlight, and I come over here, high beam, your flash to pass, and you turn that off. I'm gonna check blinkers and make sure that the blinkers are tight and that they're aligned where they should be. License plate light is good. So that's all lights work, 4 ways, front and rear both light up, perfect. So I'm also gonna just check that the Bluetooth is working properly. This one's got cool flames, so that works. So this is your limiter. This allows you to either have your 1 speed or to have all 3 speeds. And give that a plug and just tuck it right back into where it was. Put everything back together for a 4th time. Come up here, turn that back on. And now you'll be able to see, now it's in 3, 2, and 1. So now your speed selector works. Double check that the brakes are good and tight. So the majority of the bolts are 10 mil. And so that's where you kind of need a deep socket. So it's just a matter of just making sure that they're tight. These ones, fender bolts, you can tell that one is quite loose. We also check caliper bolts and make sure that they're good and tight. You never want your brake coming loose on you. Nice thing about the DX is there isn't a whole bunch of body bolts. Perfect. These ones I'm gonna grab a wrench to be able to get in there. Caliper bolts, make sure that they're good and tight. I'm gonna double check that this nut is good and tight. That's good. And now to check the rear. So check the rear. You actually have to undo these bolts just to be able to pull the plastic out and just double check. Cap, come off. And so this one is actually a double nut. And so I usually just check the inside one and it's tight. And then I will double check the outer one just to make sure it's tight as well. And the bolt goes back in. While I'm on this side, I'm also just gonna check the chain tension, and chain tension is really good. And so when the weather is nice, we always do a test ride on the bikes. Unfortunately, we do still have snow coming down. It is Canada, unfortunately. And so we've got snow that just fell probably about the last couple of hours. So unfortunately, I can't take it for test drive. But the customer will be definitely happy that everything's been checked over. And that's everything that's included when we do a PDI.